Hey, Eric the Bearded Tool Guy. This is my new Bosch GDS 18V 330C. This is their new mid-torque, very lightweight with their 4-amp battery, fully charged. Let's crank on this. Okay, now we're doing this test here for one reason. This is a subscriber request. We're going to try the RIDGID R872081 with the new 4-amp EXP max output 21700 cell tabless battery. Let's see. I'm pretty sure that Bosch can tighten to at least 275. So let's try to loosen it with the RIDGID first. Okay, it did it. Okay. Now, since it did that, good, UPS ain't stopping here. Okay, since it did that, let us tighten up again with the Bosch. Okay. Okay. Now, we just did that. Okay. Now, he wanted it to put it against a new KOBALT. This is their new subcompact impact wrench. This came out last November, December. And Lowe's on their website says use the 8 amp hour max output battery. And this is 3/8 drive, so I got an adapter. Let's try to loosen it. Guess what? This is actually, I think, stronger than this. And this battery has 21700 tablet cells. And this has 21700 regular cells. But they say run the 8 amp with this. And this, you know, battery has more get up and go juice than this 8 amp. Well, let's see what the batteries say. Didn't lose a bar on the RIDGID. Didn't lose a bar on the KOBALT. Okay, viewer requested video. Eric the Bearded Tool Guy signing off.